Start this exercise in a rest position lying on your back. Take a deep inhalation to prepare, long exhalation to slide your heel towards your hip, and then float your knee above your hip into single tabletop position. Hold this position for a deep inhalation and then lower down as you exhale. Inhale to prepare to transition on the other side. Exhale, slide and then float your knee up. Inhale, hold, and exhale, lower down. Repeat one more each side. Slide and fold. Inhale and lower while you keep your lower lumbar spine in the neutral position. Then lower your foot and relax.